how to transfer money using Huntington mobile application. If you'd like to do so, in today's video, we'll be guiding you through the process. So you can access the Huntington website or download the Huntington mobile application for that and log in into your account first. You can go to the login interface and use your credentials in order to log in. And once you are there, you can navigate to the pay and transfer section and select send money with Zelle. So you'll need to use the Zelle service, which is integrated into the application for that. So once you are here, you can basically go ahead and access Zelle, and there you can select an existing contact from your phone number or add up a new recipient by entering their email address or the US mobile number. So just go ahead and choose a recipient. And once that is done, you can enter the amount. You can specify the amount that you want to send and then add an option no to the recipient if you prefer. Once that is done, you can carefully review all the transaction details and then confirm the transfer. In most cases, the money will be available to the recipient within minutes. And that's it. And the thing is, the recipient must be enrolled with a Zelle as well through their financial institution to receive the money. And that's it. So you may follow up this process if you'd like to transfer money using the Zelle, using the Huntington mobile application. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.